Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And another thing in the news today is the Bing Chat and Copilot are actually having outages. This is interesting because we had Cortana for years and years and years, and I'm trying to remember when we had any outage for Cortana at some point. There must have been probably, but it's not clear that we've seen any outages for Cortana at some point. If some do remember, let me know. But in some parts of the world, not everywhere, it seems to be concentrated mostly in the United States and some parts of Asia. If you're trying to use the Bing Chat AI and or Copilot, if you have that installed, it seems that it's down. So if you try to ask it questions and stuff, apparently it doesn't respond, or it responds with error messages, or just doesn't do anything. It's not everybody, like I said. Here you see it works on my computer, but if you are having issues, apparently mostly in the United States, then, well, yeah, they're having some issues and they're trying to fix it. It's been going on for the last few hours, and of course Microsoft did say they're working on the issue, trying to get it back. Every time we think of something like this, it's always interesting to note that, is it, cyber attacks? What is it exactly? We know that in the past few months, Microsoft has been a victim of quite a few attacks and distributed denial of service attacks, stuff like that. So anyways, if you're trying to use Copilot, if you're trying to use the Bing Chat AI, well, it is out for some of you. Like you see here, it works on mine, but some people are actually really mentioning, and the blog posts where you see this, a lot of people are mentioning they're having problems. And so this is interesting. I've also noticed that on many of the Edge browsers, when you try to get it, they've kind of seem to have done a redesign. You could see here, Bing is your AI Copilot for the web. You could see it's kind of redesigned here. That's something I noticed yesterday. So it's kind of interesting. So if you're having issues, it's possibly normal. And if it's like me, well, it's working. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.